Ano yan?
Polvoron.
Wow. Did you make it? Ano yung ingredients?
Flour, milk, sugar, butter.
Sarap ba yan? Pwede ba yan sa akin?
Pwede naman.
Wow. Pwede ba yan kay Ash?
Hindi pwede.
Can I eat it or have to pay for it?
You have to pay for it.
Wow. Magkano?
5 pesos isa.
Order.
Order lang.
Wait!
Wow. Wow.
Crunchy.
Durian.
Mababay na.
Bye!